Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to turn off spell checks. So the spell checks is when you are typing and it will uh, check your spelling, so it will warn you if you have some spelling mistakes. So sometimes it can be annoying, so to turn off this feature or option, there are two methods. To do so, all you have is to follow simple steps. The first method is to go to review and we will go to language. Here we can change our proofing language. So uh, mark now my English text. Here you can find the do not check spelling or grammar. So now we are going to like this. As you can see, there is no checking of spelling. There is also another way to uh, disable the spell checking is to go to file and then we are going to down in the option menu. Here we will find many tabs here, but we are interested in the proofing options. Here there are the autocorrect option and the corrected spelling option, but we want the check spelling. As you can see here, this is the check spelling when we are typing option. We want to disable it and we are going to click OK. Even if our language won't be, even it will check the spelling or grammar, but still our chicken isn't spelled when we are typing. As you can see, I'm just typing some random text, but still there is no underline, red underline. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.